It's a new 2019 MINI Countryman. This Clubman has the looks and friskiness of a Mini in a larger package. That means 4 doors, ample cargo space, and loads of fun. It's well equipped with the features you need: leather steering wheel, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, external memory control, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com proclaims the Countryman still upholds the traits identified with this brand, such as distinctive styling, nimble handling, and countless customization possibilities. Efficiency, fun, and freedom. Welcome to Mini. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.